Naghanap ka ba ng minimalist house near Manila and Alabang? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Strategically located sa Pasong Camachile 2, General Trias, near the Cavite-Laguna Expressway, connecting to Cavitex, Emilio Aguinaldo Highway, tatayong SM General Trias na ito nga ang pinakamalaki sa buong Calabarzon. Karoon din dito ng mga universities under SM Corporation at sa parte naman ng Vermosa at Villar City. Napakalaking central business district ito guys dahil nandito ang mga universities like UP, mga malls, and other commercial establishments. Accessible nga rin ito sa MCX at Alabang. Minimum lot size is 48 square meters. Kaya naman may provision tayo for one carport with free fence and gate. Expanded na ito kaya naman almost fully covered na ang ating carport. May floor area tayo na 54.35 square meters kaya naman meron